Quick disclaimer before I start the rest of the video. Let me get outside, get some lighting. That's got nothing to do with Elite Pro, the clip you just seen. That was just a little bit of clickbait for you. But what had happened was the turbo cut on so hard, being an EFR turbo, that it cut on so hard, and that's just what happened. One of the straps ended up coming loose and the car came back. There was no damage. I've already spoken to Elite Pro like when we were there. Nothing happened to the car. Don't think you don't want to go there just because of the clip you just seen, you know, to get you all excited for what you're about to see, because the rest of the video is insane. So be ready for that. Yeah, I just wanted to put this quick disclaimer in. Shout out to, again, Elite Pro. They did a mad tune. I've had the car now for 3 weeks running, and it's been absolutely amazing. Had no dramas at all. So be sure to check them out. I'll leave a link, Facebook page or whatever down below if you want to check him out if you're in Sydney. He does all sorts of cars and everything. So yeah, I just wanted to throw that out there. Quick disclaimer, that wasn't his fault or anything. That's, I guess, what can happen if you take a car to a dyno. You got to be aware of these things. Anything can happen. Cars can blow, anything can happen. So it wasn't anything too bad, which lucky enough, the car's been running amazing. As I said, just a quick disclaimer. Obviously, I'm not trying to make them look bad or anything like that. Elite Pro, amazing job. So anyway, I forgot to put an outro in the rest of the video. So remember, RSK is a family. Spread the word. Don't forget to subscribe. It's down there right next to the name. Just press it. Press the bell as well to get notified for our uploads every time we do. Me and Alex are coming back bigger and better now. As I said, my car was a massive pain to get finished and done before dyno day. His car has had some dramas, which you'll see in the video as well, but we're coming back, making a comeback. So be ready for like a lot more uploads. Enjoy the rest of the video, and I will see you in the next one.
What's going on, guys? It's your boy Alex here, back from Royal Street Krew. Today we are at Elite Pro tuning. Brendan is currently here. We're just heading in to check it out. So there are a few of the cars out here, and then we got the main attraction, Brandon's car. So that's getting tuned today, so we're hoping to make some numbers.
I still can't believe we're here.
I told you we'd make it. He didn't believe that we'd make it here today.
But we made it.
Because on Wednesday we started doing the clutch, and it's Thursday, and we had to screw around with the shaft because the thing came off, and we had to grind and cut.
I want to talk.
And guess
now I've got to add in beats.
So I've been told to check it out. Jesus.
Built by Elite Pro. That's insane. My one of them points on the ground.
Yep. His doesn't.
No. And then you got to say it's coming back.
That's bad.
Yeah, dude.
Those welds are Mexique. Look, it's nice, but it's not a barra.
I know it's not a barra, man.
Ben, you can't on the dyno. How do you feel?
Dude. My hand's still black from yesterday. I literally told him, I was like, you wouldn't believe that. I said, you wouldn't believe that the clutch was out yesterday. He's like, what? I was like, yep.
What are our predictions for figures?
I've already spoken to him. He reckons already with everything that I got in that.
270?
No, he's saying aim for that 250. He's like, but even 250 is going to be mental. He's like, but judging by the health of the engine and everything, which he said it sounds like perfect impression already.
280.
280. We're going to see.
Yeah, we're going to see.
This thing's fucking mental, bro.
T-Mac?
Yeah.
Tommy Mac?
I was like E85 in here.
I know, I can smell it. What, didn't you see the car I drove in here? It's hot. On E85. Jesus. That's like almost the same colour as the my one.
Yeah.
Yeah, look, the turbo could be a bit larger.
Anyway, guys, welcome to Royal Street Krew, the channel.
Yep.
You want to be a part of the RSK fam? Subscribe right here.
On top of the rocket cover?
Right here.
Or where
on
the
top
turbo
of,
is?
Where the velvet is. Oh, down there.
Where the turbo?
Yep.
Oh. Yeah, that's a quite large turbo. It's almost like a factory-sized Falcon turbo.
So
I'm really digging this super roll.
Yeah,
I'm liking the meat. I'm loving it. Yeah, I'm loving the meat on the back. The Meisters. I love the bronze.
Yeah, so this is where we're at. This is what we're doing today.
Yeah, we're doing performance stuff. Let's get a final check over of the finished product.
I reckon the final, but
and that's where we're at.
Everything's good. Pretty coochie cream.
Did we tell them we had the gearbox out? Or no?
No, that was does have an extreme heavy duty clutch in
Yeah,
it.
it does. Whether we put that in last night or a few weeks ago, no one knows.
Are your hands black?
Look, there's still remnants of the blackness on there, but we won't.
Oh, and guess what I still got? Exhaust leak. I could only get it so tight. He's like, yeah, it sounds like air, but it's loud. It's proper loud, but it's sick. I'm that hype right now. I just want this thing pumped. But he reckons, yeah, he said, this thing easily with this setup, you'll get 250. He's like, but even this car will be meant to go in 250. He's like, you'll keep up with Evo's easy. So.
Will you keep up with me?
No, I don't want to talk about that. I'll keep up with Corollas.
Alright, so we're currently bedding in the flight as we haven't had time to drive it, so that's what,
sign language.
that's what he is doing at the moment. So we're just waiting for him to bed that in a little bit and then we're going to get some power runs.
Well, Alex is on the mic camera. We're showing the owner's car because his car is insane. So clean, dude. Oh my god. I look.
Is that a bit of Vlogception?
Is that how you make babies? Yeah.
Royal Street Street?
Woo. This is clean, bro.
Look, it is. I like this one. This one will be nice when it's finished. The wheels just make it best. This thing is fucking sick.
Nice, bro. Oh god.
Let's look at the powerhouse that I drove here today.
Where?
Ah, yes.
The sports cat.
No, man.
Oh, there it is.
The
there it is.
ST Fiesta, man. Yeah.
Wow.
Because
Is it, hey, did you tell them plot twist? We're getting it tuned as well.
yeah, we're getting it turboed as well.
My KO4 is going in that.
Look, I would have brought my ute, but it's on my driveway sitting like this. Insert
photo here. We got the photo.
Yeah. The diff got built like 2,000 Ks ago, 3,000 Ks ago, and it's suspected they put the wrong oil in it, and it just cooked it. So that's getting rebuilt, picking that up the servo, putting that in, and then we'll go for some cruising with the gated community.
I gotta dump oil as soon as we get over. The clutch is all good. Snap it. Buzz. He said the clutch is good. Yeah, there was a flame. Car's done. We've made it. It's made a whopping figure. When I get the printout sheet, I will show you, but we got to set up. It's been here. Oos. But it's going good. It's healthy. That's what we want. So we'll get it out on the street when we get out of here and give it a couple of rips, see how she goes. Alex, I'm walking out of here with big power. Well, ooh, gutsy. Walking out of here with more power, man.
Final figures were 250 at 21 pesos. Right?
Yeah, so now we're going to get some rips, but as you can tell by the weather, now it's picking back up again, which is a joke. It rains when you pick up your car,
Yep.
and then it rains when it's up. It's getting louder. Alex,
I don't want to talk about it.
getting louder.
I don't want to talk about it.
But if you got an MPS or any type of anything, come down to Elite Pro. Killer. Absolutely killed it.
But if you've got an MPS or an Evo, sell it by barrel. That's the ultimate solution.
Don't listen to him.
Position,
He's upset because that thing's a fucking beast. Say it.
They ask you how you are, you just have to.
I just want my car back.
yeah, that's just what he wants. So we're gonna get some merch too. Hopefully he's got some, because I want Elite Pro tuning hoodie or shirt, and then take the rig home, and that's what we're gonna get up to. So get up to doing that, and then we'll say goodbye to all these lovely Evos in the background, and especially with Tommy Matt copping all that rain and the Elite rig. But yeah, come down to Elite Pro. Shout out to Mumwood, legend. Thank you. What a stressful day, but come out strong. Come out strong, Alex.
Built by the best, baby.
Let's go, baby.
Tomorrow.
Alright guys, so as you were seeing, the car yesterday held up so nicely, and it was incredible. Like, shout out to my wood again for at Elite Pro tuning. I'll put all their links below if you want to hit them up. Yeah, specialise in heaps of cars. Had heaps of experience. The car came out really, really good with a whopping 250.8 kilowatts at the wheels. The horsepower is like 300 and something, 340 or something like that, brake horsepower. So not too bad. I mean, for how light the car is and what I'm running, obviously being stock internals and stuff like that, I'll be doing a video again of everything I've done to get it to that point and what mods are needed and whatever else like that, what it's got. But yeah, so pretty much today I'm just gonna be enjoying the car. In some of the clips you probably wouldn't have noticed because the fan was so loud. The dump pipe had an exhaust leak between my stock exhaust flange and my dump pipe. Was using the original spring bolts that were in there. I don't think they were tight enough, so I've just had to put like new ones on, which was a massive pain, but I've done it now, so they're locked in. Haven't started the car yet. What I'm going to do is wash the car because it's been filthy sitting in the garage for that long, and then it was also raining yesterday, so I haven't really been able to enjoy the power because it's just been raining, and obviously with the power that I've got now, I'm just spinning everywhere. So hopefully in the dry today, because it's pretty hot, it's about 32 or 34 degrees or something. Should be able to get some good runs and stuff like that, so I might be able to get some inside. I might do a reaction videos for you if you want to see some people inside getting reactions. And head down to Tony from Knockout Nutrition, because I haven't seen him in ages because he's just been on the pump trying to get this car finished, and it's done now, so finally. I'm gonna take you outside and probably do a bit of time lapse of me just washing over the car quickly. Don't judge, I'm not using a gurney or anything because it just takes too long to set up, and just quickly just getting the dust off and washing it over. So let's get it. You know, once you get a tune and you got a 3-inch catless downpipe, you got to get that cold start. Woo, doesn't get better than that.